What up? What up? Good morning, everybody. Time to make some money. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Boom, boom. What, Flip? Yo, Flip, we smashed gold, baby. The gold smash. Yo, what up, Elite? Yeah, we crushed gold yesterday. Escape to the Cove, smash gold raw. Dude. Smash gold raw. Dude. Out of all the orb plays, the gold one is the best, I think, personally. What up, Monet? What up? What up? Now I'm trying to find. There we go. Oh, man. Man, this is just a chop fest. What up, TiVo? What up, bum? Good morning, Donna. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody's weekend? How was everybody's extended weekend? Everybody got all their fingers? La Rosa, what up? You haven't traded today? I made a couple trades. I traded gold last night. Yo, CT, I smashed that this morning. Smashed. I'm 3 days away from a payout only using that. Yeah. If this goes over 52,600 and I get a payout, you're going to see me copy trading a lot, CT. I have to figure out, though, how I can use how I can do it with Quant Tower. Yeah, I only go for what did I go for? 25 ticks. Yeah, I go 25 ticks. Stop loss was 30. But I change it around depending on. Is that raining out? Oh, yeah, it is raining out. I'll change it depending on what's going on. I will sometimes edit. I always take 3 lots. It's basically a 1-to-1 CT because you're going for 25 and you're losing 30. What up, Maria? What up? What up? You're going for 25. I decided to take the day off. They still haven't fixed my account. I think everybody was off all weekend, so they'll probably get to everything now, is what I would think, at least. Woo! How is everybody? Everybody do anything fun? Fireworks? What up, Zoe? How was the 4th of July, everybody? What'd you guys do? We got some fireworks in there. So I went in the pool a bunch. What did I do? I went to the pool 2 days, fireworks. Yeah, it's been pretty choppy today. It's definitely choppy. But if you look, it definitely has a down trend to it. There you go, Zoe. There you go. Yeah, I think just a lot of I revenge traded like a fucking moron. Merlin, it happens. You're not the only one that revenge trades. Yeah, I'm trying not to do too much here. What's the news? What news do we have? Next week starts earnings, by the way. Earnings starts July 14th, which is next week. You start running into earnings season again. We have no news today. Tomorrow is nothing really. Wednesday, you have wholesale inventories at 10, and the Fed minutes come out at 2 p.m. That will probably move it a little bit. Thursday, you have jobless claims. There's not much news this week. Wait, what is this? Am I reading this right? Why does it say CPI is due out July 9th? Is that true? Does this thing have the dates fucked up? What up, Sean? Oh, yeah, the dates are messed up. Look at that shit. I'm going to show you on the screen. Come on. Here we go. Look. So it's so weird. Look, it's this week, July 9th, right? July 10th. And then you scroll down, and then it says next week, July 9th, and it has all this stuff. But really, they have the dates messed up. This is really July 14th. This is July 15th. Like next week, we got a bunch of news that will move the market, plus earnings. So you got news and earnings next week. This week's going to be a little back and forth. Oh. This does not look. I want to short it, but I want to see it come up first. I want to see it pop a dock and then drop it. Although I just got a sell signal here. Let's see what happens. I'm just looking at the Rankos real quick. No, so Fidias has paid me out before, Merlin. Fidias has paid me out, but what the problem is, they used to have a payout window. It was the 21st to the 25th. And I ended up getting my over 52,600 on like the 26th or 27th. So I just missed the payout window. So in theory, I have to wait to the next payout window, right? But they are doing away with payout windows. They're getting rid of payout windows. So once the 15th comes, I no longer have to wait for a payout window. So on the 15th, I can request my $2,000. So I'm basically just flipping in that account like once a day, once every other day. And I'm just waiting because there's no reason to trade it. I can't, nothing good can come about. So I just am waiting and I'll take my $2,000 payout. You know, the prop firms they have payout windows for a reason. They could pay you, but they want you to trade it to lose because now if I trade it and lose, they don't have to pay me. And if I make money, it really doesn't matter because I can only get paid out $2,000. I can't get paid out more. So I'm already at max payout. So why trade it? So I'm just going to sit and I'm just going to flip, and then I'm going to request my money and get paid. No reason to do anything else. That's what I was telling that's what I was trying to say in the Discord. If you're over a threshold to get paid, don't mess it up by trading when you don't have to trade. You blew all your funded accounts, Baba, doing today or last night? What trades you take? RIP? Damn, did you copy trade them all? Bro, gold will fucking eat you up, man. I hate gold. I like gold during a little part of the night. Dude. Every time I trade gold during the day, I get hosed. I am out on gold, except for either, early in the night, maybe 8, 9, 10 o'clock, something like that. I can probably put a quick trade on. What up, T-Gal? Other than that, I'm out on it. I like it during a little time where it pays me. I hit gold last night for 382 and I was out. I'm outie. Whew. I'm going to get stopped here. I feel it. Flip a little special time of the night. You just hit your daily loss limit. What's everybody? Everybody's getting chopped up, I feel like. What up, Nao? I feel like everyone's getting chopped is what's going on. I mean, conditions are definitely not great. Bro, all net. Play edges 920 to 980. We'll see. We shall see. I was looking for a big dump. Big old dump. Big old dump. Obviously, we didn't get it. So, that's where, yo, look at that shit. Look at that shit. Did that just happen to me? Tell me that just happened. Oh, dude, I literally just got fucked. Is that not a top tick? That's the toppest tick that you could possibly get. That's crazy. I would be green. I would be fucking green. Oh, yo, that's some sloppy toppy tick. That's what that is. Dude, I literally got topped. Topped. Oh, come on. I'd be up $100 right now. That's a $500 swing. That's a $500 swing. That's gross. That's so gross. How the fuck does that happen? I agree with you though. Just playing the bottom, playing the bottoms and back up. I mean, we're definitely at the lower end of the range. Woo! I fucking can't believe that. Dude. I'm looking to take this back up. I can't believe I got fucking top tick though. That's gross. That's so gross. Dude. Is that not the craziest thing? CT, unbelievable. I'm just trying to scalp it here. I don't have confirmation, so it's not really. There's no confirm. I'm still annoyed at this. See, and then it forces you to do stupid shit like I just did. This getting top ticked forces you to do stupid shit. That is the craziest. Yo, what up, Jonathan? Yeah, I had a good weekend, man. I had a good weekend. I just put on this trade before and literally got top ticked and would be freaking up. I don't know. I might.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
I'm testing something on my other fucking screens. Time to go for you going for a walk, Merlin? I'm looking for a bounce back up. We're at the lower part of the range. We're right here at the orb and in balance. If you short it, your stop would be 909. I don't know. This is not recommended. I can tell you why it's not recommended. We're definitely oversold on the one. I would rather see us trade back up into the range, but we'll see what happens. Yo, if you need to walk away, man, definitely walk away. Damn, you were $100 from funded and blew it? Dude, that's right there. I've done that, Merlin. Yeah, it would be a good spot, Jonathan. We kind of swept down here. I'm just waiting for confirm. I am waiting. Oh, you were copy trading, Merlin? Do you copy trade all your 4 or 5 accounts at a time? Yeah, Jonathan, that's kind of what I'm waiting on. I'm looking on my other screen for it. I want to see them run it back up to probably up here. I'm just waiting. I'm just breathing and relaxing. Yo, $100 seems so easy to get too. That's the joke. It's just $100. How hard could it be? How hard could it be? You make 5 G's and you need $100. Just got to buy and what is it? 10 cons. All you need is 2 points. I am worried. The one thing I'm worried about this is that we come right here and we can't get back over 900 and we hit our head against the we hit our head right against the orb below and then we reject and go lower. I'm definitely worried about. That's my biggest worry is that we reject. Look, see right where it rejected? Can we go through? Yeah. If this goes through, I like it even more, but that's why I took. I didn't like this. Now, if we get over this and close, I'll get back in and I'll stop out like at 94. You unpassed an apex and I need $2. How hard could $2 be, CT? That's when I buy one micro. If it doesn't do well, I buy 2 micros and I keep going more and more until I get my $2. See, now if you short this, if this goes below here, all right, I'm at break even, baby. I'm at BE. BE. Let me take this off. What the fuck? Yo, I actually look at that. I got stopped out, but I would have gotten filled. I probably kept it too tight. If I wasn't down $400, I would have been looser. I'd have been loosey goosey. The biggest problem was being down $400. You know, when you're not down, I play a lot better. I'm tight, Flip. Yo, I'm tight that they fucking stopped me out at the high right here. I agree with you, Jonathan. I agree with you. To me, the move is done. I don't like every time coming around. Like, I don't like now we're under 900. We're under the orb. Like, I don't like when we keep trading back and forth over this level. That to me is not what I like. You know, especially now that you have an inversion to the downside, now it gets really fucking sloppy. I mean, you almost want to target down there. I'm only grabbing one. Oh, my God, did that happen? I was up almost 200 and I wasn't able to fucking, that was so quick. I'll take that. 105 real quick. Just scout my way out of this thing. I don't like that. Just watch out. The fact that they brought it down, brought it right back up, brought it down, then brought it back up is definitely suspect at best. As my kid says, that's sus. P.S. guys, the market's going to dump 100 points on the NQ within the next 15 minutes. Billy Bob Two Toes. Bro, if you're right, that's a wild call. How's that said? What up, Miramar? Billy Bob, if you're right, that's an awesome call. If you're wrong, you owe me an eval if I go all in right now. How's that sound? Yo, Josh. Josh, it's crazy. Doesn't feel like the markets are down, really. Feels pretty good today. Markets feel pretty good today. Just got to be in the right thing. Baidu. I got that Baidu. Come on, clip it. Are you not going to grab that? Oh, you're such a little. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? We were a point and a half away. Between the top ticks. Yo, Baidu freaking smashing. Baidu. Yo, see you in a little bit, Jonathan. See, this is what I don't like. The crisscross over back. Like, what up, Dell? Yo, Dell, did you move yet? I do think eventually this rips up. When are you going to be fully in, though? Like, when are you going to be in, set up, all done? Next week, and then you work from home going forward, right? You don't have to be in work or anything like that. Probably Saturday. That's awesome. Yeah, but then you're done. Dude, that's awesome. Fully remote. Don't have to worry about your boss looking at you during the day. Can't really beat that. Yo, I don't know why my phone's not charging. I will say this account has been fucking cursed. This is my cursed account. When you get top ticked, it just sends the account into a spiral. But we shall see. The one thing I like is every time they keep bringing it down, they wick it right back up. By the way, I'll be on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow. Yo, what up, TJ? Are you fucking kidding me? I feel the bottom tick coming. I'm going to get bottom ticked and they're going to bring it right back up. FIVN. Yo, why can't I bring that up? What is it? Do you have the right symbol, Josh? I don't know if you got the right symbol. FIVN. $5.9. Yo, why can't I fucking? Oh, there we go. Why did I look at this and like it? Dude, did I put this somewhere? I was literally looking at this. Did you tell me about this or did somebody else, or did I look at this? I like it. Why? What's the deal? What's the deal with it? I scanned it. Yo, I like it. I like it. I picked some up. I just grabbed a taste. I'm worried about the market in general, but I'm worried about the market in general. But that's pretty much, yeah, I got to look into it more, obviously. All right, I'm going to take one off here. Let's see what happens. He's talking about the stock 5.9. Yeah. It's a clothing store, I believe, right? Right? Isn't 5.9 a clothing store? Or I'm thinking about below. Yo, what's 5.9, Josh? It's SaaS? Oh, dude, I'm thinking it's something completely different. I might like this more. What the? Wait, hold on one second. Yeah, I probably like this even more. I thought it was something else. What did I think it was? Below 5? Is that one? Yeah, oh, 5 below. I thought it was 5 below. Yeah, Josh. Oh, that's what I thought it was. I thought it was 5 below. How funny is that? Yeah, it's not 5 below. That's why I was kind of like about it. But being that it's SaaS, let's see what they do. What is it? 5.9. Let's see. What do they do? Engages in the provision of cloud software for contact centers. Yeah. Well, now I'm going to look into it more. I thought it was the fucking clothing company, man. Yeah, that's why I hated it. Not going to lie, I hated it, Josh, when you told me about it, because that's what I thought it was. This thing looks like it's just going to unload, by the way. This thing looks very unloading like see you at low of day. Just watching. I'm waiting for it to just break down here. Not the best trading conditions. Damn, that's crazy. I'll look into it, though. I like it more, though. Man, this is some fucking chop. It doesn't get choppier than this. Look at this. It's just sitting here. Let's see what the Renkos say. Renkos are in a sell. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, come on, baby. Do something.
Order filled.
Dude, it's hanging on for this 900 for life. Look at this thing. Just give it up, baby. Just give it up. Once we get under and a close under, I want to get a close under like 93. Give me a close under 93. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Holy shit, is it holding on? Look at it. Yo, what up, Jaden? I'm up 2K on my Take Profit Trader short. I mean, you're doing amazing. Hopefully they can fucking let it go right here for us. Go down Monday, Tuesday, rocket ship to highs on Thursday, Friday. Josh, as long as it drops right here, I'm in. Drop it like it's fucking hot. If they could just flash it down to 89, I can get out half, I'd be happy. Getting out half would be good. They are just holding this thing. Come on. What? What? Get under. Go that way. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm getting fucked. I can feel it. Here's the fucking, look at this thing. Here it is. That was it. Unbelievable. They had the opportunity to push it and they didn't push it. Done. Dunzo. They're probably going to bring it back up. I should just exit it, to be honest with you. Come on. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Come on, baby. Dump it for me. Holy shit. I kind of want to get out even, to be honest. I probably should have taken that. Should have taken it. Yo, what up, Ron B? What else we got in here? Mara, James, Carl. Andy's here. David. Brian. Cobb is in here. Larry. What up, guys? Yo, how you guys trading today? How was your weekend? First, how was your weekend? Everyone have fun? What's up, Mike? Dude, it was nice. Nice long weekend. It was weird because you had 2 half days in the market and then you had the weekend. It kind of felt super long. I'm getting stopped right here. Oh, this thing's not even fucking working correctly. Awesome. Oh, this thing's not even working fucking correctly. I don't know why
Order filled.
That's happening. I'm actually taking. I got some. I got to do some freaking digging on this. Something's not right. Something is not right. Oh, man. I don't know why Ninja Trader all of a sudden just doesn't put stops in. Just the stop just doesn't get put in. That's freaking wild. Oh. Man, they just pushed this shit up. Fuck, man. I can't take a long up here at this point. I guess as long as you held. This is one choppy ass day. I think they're going to bring it back all the way back down. Honestly, as long as you continue holding all these wicks, I would probably stay long. Yeah, it's so the strategy has a stop in it, PG, but it's not triggering a stop. So you have Ninja, right? So you can do strategies in Ninja. I'm playing around with it, but out of nowhere, the stop just doesn't work. Like all of a sudden, I'll just be in a position and it's down $600, but I'm supposed to be out of it down 200, and it just doesn't work. That's what's going on with. I'm playing around with the Ninja Trader strategies, so yeah, it should work because it works on my other strategies. It's just this one strategy is not working. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm running too many of them. I was split testing 7 at a time, and maybe it's because I'm running too many. That's the only thing I could think of. Is just too many are running and it's just conflicting. I'm not running more than one on a single account. I don't know. It's just something I'm playing with, and we'll just see what happens. I am I'll put it out there once I'm done, but we're not close to we're nowhere near me putting this out there or anything like it. That I can tell you. What up, Lee B? Oh, man, this market's freaking dull. I want to bring back the days of remember the days of freaking 30-point candles? I want to bring back the days of 30-point candles. Dude, that was a wild time. It was like every candle was like 20, 30 points. It was freaking crazy for a little bit. I just cracked my back. My back. Yeah, I was testing 7 scripts working at the same time. I'm going back to 1, and we're just going to do that. I'm just going to test 1 at a time. For any of you Ninja Trader guys, man, this is so sloppy today. I would probably want to see us come back down to maybe 15-ish. 15-ish, come back to 34. Maybe take 1 con and stop below here. 1 con, stop at 95, I guess. I got my brother texting me. Oh, come on, come down. I'd love to see it come down to here. Come on, baby. Dude, what you guys do this weekend? What up, Da? Yo, what'd you guys do this weekend? Anybody do anything fun? Trump is talking at 12 to 12:30. Dude, he's probably going to talk about Elon's new political party. Fireworks? Yeah, I did fireworks. Fireworks were good. Who's joining Elon's new party? Anybody know anything about it? What is it? The party of the people? America's party? I got to look into Elon's party. It looks like it's going to be good. Fireworks suck. I don't mind them. I'm not like, oh my God, I need to go watch them. But my kids are into them. H-1B visa party. It's literally libertarian. So yes, I am in. I want to go to a Diddy party. Who's going to the Diddy party? Yeah, I got a payout waiting for me on the 15th, right when Fadias gets rid of their payout window. I'm patiently waiting for it. I'm over the limit, but I gotta wait, which sucks. But it is what it is. Need them to process that. Not risking it. 2 G's, baby. I'm not risking that. Not risking $2,000. There you go, Josh. Did you send them a video in your boxers? I like Apex. I think Apex is good. I don't mind Apex at all. But I know people get all fucking bitter about it. You got all the bitter people. They banned you? From eval? So what do? You just trade live?
Order filled.
Dude. Do not follow this. This is me trying to pass a fucking... I'm trying to pass a Bulenox account as fast as I can.
Order filled.
I got a Bulenox rebuild me. Stop. Topstep is the new villain. Dude, I told you guys. I told you. I don't know. I mean, there's just some weird stuff going on with Topstep that just doesn't add up. I'm not saying anything, but like, just a couple things just don't add up. So it is what it is. What up, Tim? $4 days to pay out, no consistency. Oh, that's your jam? What up, Luca? They cut costs for the recession? Come on. Just pump it. Dude, why does my phone... Yo, I just pulled my plug out and then it says charging. What the fuck? You got a nice profit on the drop? I'm trying to work out of this hole for a little bit. Yeah, yo, they got fat stacks. They got fat stacks. They got money. They got a ton of money. They have enough money to do sausage fest meetups in Chicago. I mean, they could do whatever they want. They got plenty of money. They've been around. You know. Yo, what up, Corey? I want to see a continued push here. The moves are not really continuing. I want to see them push it at least up to 31 here. Go at the bottom of the. You would think it would want to test 39. Push it. Nah, I haven't. I've been hanging out with the family, relaxing, doing all, I kind of took some time to just chill out, Merlin. I haven't been doing much over the weekend of watching videos or anything, to be honest. I've just kind of chilled out. I'll watch it though. I just haven't. I usually watch those videos when I'm doing like some of the shit on the computer. I'll put it on and listen to it as I work or do whatever. Why would somebody be behind so many? I just got to ask, like, why would you go behind so many of them instead of just like one big one? Easy money, I could see that. I could see that. I mean, how much money did it cost them to get going? Just wondering. Probably doesn't cost a ton. I would say it probably doesn't cost a ton, and I bet you he's in the money pretty fucking quick. $500K is, dude, that's crazy. 500K starts it up. Dude, I get ads all the time in Instagram, which is crazy. Start your own prop firm in ads. I'm like, are you fucking crazy? Like, start your prop firm with $500. I'm like, you're crazy. I'll watch it. I bet you they make a ton of money. The worst is the Forex Nick show. Those guys don't fucking pay anybody. The rules in Forex, dude, it's crazy. They're basically like, fuck these guys. We're not paying. And like, it is what it is. Yo, anybody going to get good food for lunch? Anyone going to get some good food for lunch? I'm starving. I am starving Marvin right now. Man, I wish this freaking... I have 3 Forex and a bots. That's awesome. Those Forex bots are pretty big in that niche. Everything's like a bot. Holy shit. That was a quick hundy. Dude, that was a quick hundy. I'm debating on... Wow. The problem is they hold down here constantly. Look at this. Just holding the line. Hold! Yep. Just bouncing it back up. I do think at some point we're going to break down. Monica! I do think at some point we break down. Yo, who's getting the best lunch today? Someone getting brisket? Anyone in this joint getting brisket? I feel like... Damn, Merlin. I think someone's probably going to get brisket. Good ass food. There's always someone getting good barbecue in this chat. Always someone getting good barbecue. Where is Sean or CT? Sean works a lot, man. He's probably working. They both made money on the open, BK. They both made money in the open, probably just chilling out. The market's not great today. Dude, I've never been to a Buc-ee's. I need to go to Buc-ee's. Royal Farms chicken? I mean, that sounds pretty good. I don't have a Buc-ee's near me, Ray. There's no Buc-ee's. I don't even know where the closest Buc-ee's is. Buc-ee's is usually like out of the city area. The brisket is mid. Uh-oh. CT, those are probably fighting words in this place. I can hear it already with somebody. Somebody likes their mid brisket. To brisket is yo, you guys. It's more of a country place. I just think this isn't like a great setup. We're at lunch, but I just think the risk reward is here. I'm risking 10 points, and I think if it ends up flushing, I'm going to get paid, but it's definitely risky. This is not like an A+ setup. This is like a C-. I'm only taking it due to risk reward, where you risk 10 and can potentially make a lot more. But along with big reward to risk comes not amazing setups. Yo, I never got into the burnt ends, really, to be honest with you. Burnt ends. So I just got top ticked again. The fuck? I never got into burnt ends. Unless they're on a sandwich. Burnt ends on a sandwich is freaking legit. I had burnt ends on a sandwich with so what was it? It was burnt ends on a sandwich with cold slaw and barbecue sauce. Shit was really good. Am I the only one that thinks this just dumps out? I feel like I kind of want to risk, like, yeah, don't you feel like it's just going to dump out, Josh? There's no buying. I mean, there's no selling pressure, but there's no buying either. It's pretty fucking weak. Yeah, it's holding 900. Once we get onto 900, I mean, I think if we got to like 92, 90, I think you would just get an all-out fucking flush. If you can take it down here again, I think you'd get an all-out flush. I mean, you could just see that there's no real selling or buying pressure. It's just kind of fucking hanging. I'm thinking what I want to eat. I thought someone say what news we're going to 720. I don't know what news. Oh, Trump talks in 5 minutes. You got Trump talking in 5 minutes. He's talking from 2:30. Let me just look. I think he's talking from not 2:30, 12 to 12:30. Let me just look. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash. No. Need that money. So Trump, I do not have Trump talking today on Financial Juice, but somebody put it in the chat earlier that Trump was going to talk. I have Trump signing executive orders at 4 o'clock. I don't have any other Trump talking news, but I think someone put it. Oh, then I think that's what's happening though. I don't see it though. I'm looking around for it. Dude, what's the deal with the taco thing, Ray? Why does everybody keep saying taco? What is that? What's the taco thing? Yo, what up, Anderson? What's this whole taco thing? I feel like I missed out. Oh, is that what it is? Dude, the fact that he keeps moving the shit. I don't understand why he keeps moving it. Dude, I don't know. It's kind of annoying that he keeps moving it, though, to be honest with you. To me personally, I feel like that we're not even close to a deal. How's that sound? I feel like we're not even close to a deal, and I don't think there's going to be a deal. And I feel like we're giving Wall Street guys, I feel like we're just giving people, I don't know. I feel like we're giving them time to exit their positions and, get out of all this shit, to be honest with you. I feel like he's giving the big dogs a lot of time to reposition themselves for a pullback. That's how I feel about it. That's exactly how I feel about it. We're getting He's giving everybody time to reposition. Uh-oh. You ready for this one? President Putin says Russia helped the United States gain independence from Great Britain. I thought it was going to be better. I thought it was going to be a better clip than that. Sorry, my friend's a little slow. The town is actually that way. I thought it was going to be good. Merlin, technically true? Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't have an answer for it. Tell you one thing. I'm definitely fucking hungry. It's supposed to rain. Dude, we're supposed to get rain. Fucking lot of rain coming. Dude, costs are only going up, Ray. Costs never go down. Costs are only going up, guys. What was my biggest day ever? I posted it on YouTube. I made $50,000 in a day, Anderson. That's probably my biggest day. 50,000. I was trading options. It was 2000, probably 2020, I think it was. I have all the screenshots. I posted it as a post where you post images on the YouTube channel. Yeah, I made over 50,000 that day. So probably in 2020 to 2021, I was playing big dollar options, and I've since gone away from it. It was profitable, but it was just weighing on me personally. Yeah. I'll show you it if I'm on my YouTube channel right now. I'm just gonna scroll to. This isn't like $50,000 of prop money. This is like $50,000 of money in my. This is like $50,000 of money inside my E-Trade account. No, it was profitable, Josh, but it was weighing on me, man. You'd have one day that was like, up $11,000. Then you're down $7,000 the next day. Like your swings were so much. And I just had a second kid in 2018 at the end. And I just moved into my house at the end of 2019. And I was still doing stuff. And it was just weighing on me. Like the stress level was through the roof, to be honest. And I was like, I can't keep doing this. And then I want to say like I took 2 back-to-back losses. I lost probably like 20 G's and I said, I'm out. I'm done. I walked away from that and I just restructured how I played. Here you go. You want to see? That was obviously me fucking taking the screenshot. Let me see if I can bring up. How do I make it bigger? How do I make it fucking bigger? Was that open image in new tab? Oh, that is all right. So here, so you can see it was I believe I was shorting it. It was Royal Caribbean, Tesla, Spy, Carnival Cruises, BA, Disney, basically the travel, right? These are all travel companies for the most part. So I was probably balls deep in it. And you can see 17,000, you know, it just added up 17. What is that? 23 and 9 is 32, 38. You know, and then you got 100, so that's 39. This 100, there 40. And then you know, there's a bunch of other ones as you go down. So yeah, about 50,000 bucks. That was my biggest day. But I wasn't like taking screenshots to post on YouTube or anything. Like I sent this to a chat. So I wasn't like documenting it. I sent it to a group text. You know, if it was for you guys, I would have obviously made it look a lot better. But yeah, the swings though were crazy. My account was swinging a small day, like a small day was like $2,500. Like $2,000, $2,500 was like a small swing. You know, the bigger swing days were like, yeah, like 15,000, 20,000, where you'd be up or down 20,000. And it went really good. And then I did not get back in the bull. I'll show you what I'm in. The only thing I did today was buy FIVN shares and I sold puts. This is everything I'm basically in E-Trade, but obviously more than enough to make money. What up? What up, Matthew? Smash buy, just buy. But yeah, I would get back into playing high dollar. Actually, I don't know if I would ever get back into playing high dollar options. I like what I'm doing now. It's consistent. My biggest loss days are like $3,000, and like my big gain days are like $5,000 to $7,000. So I really, I have no complaints with how I'm currently managing my money. What was my biggest futures days? You mean like in prop firms, Anderson? I don't know. I've never really like added it up. The most payouts I've taken in one day was, I think I took $5,900, $5,200. I took 3 payouts in one day. Not last month, the month before. I took 3 payouts in one day. Yeah, I've been paid out by Take Profit Trader. I went my biggest streak, because Take Profit Trader is daily. my biggest streak is I went 9 straight days with payouts, and then the last time they paid me, I didn't get my money taken out of the account till like 3 o'clock, so I didn't trade it, and then I went like another 4 days after that with payouts. So I did well with them. Dude, that's how I feel about bull nuts. I can't take bull nuts seriously. Payout process is easy. You request it and they take it out of your account at like, you request at like 10 at night and they take it out of your account. It's pretty simple process. And what do I trade with? I'm on Tradeify. They'll send you your payout via like ACH. You get it sent right to your bank account. What's my strategy? This would probably be my screen. I like to play. So here's the orbs and 60-minute imbalance. I play a lot of fair value gap inversions where like I want to see a dump and then we invert, or I want to see a rip and then we invert. Hopefully, not only do we invert, but I like to sweep. So like argument's sake, like right here, we swept these highs, came down and inverted. Like that's a nice play to the downside. Just like this would be. We swept the bottoms, inversion to the upside. Then I'll scalp through the day. Like I'll take like a, I don't know, like I'll take a bounce off VWAP or the 200 for like 5 points. I'll definitely scalp through the day, Anderson. Those aren't like setups. Those to me are just like scalp trades to kind of build my bankroll. If I'm up or down, it makes back money or adds a little cushion for the pushing later on. I need to piss in a cup for work, but I really don't want to. Do you not want to because you know what it's going to say, or do you just not want to? It's two different things. There's definitely I don't want to because I know what it's going to tell me. Yo, I'm not going to say who it is, but I know someone who brings fake piss with him every single day to work just in case. And he's been asked like 5 times. And he's been saved 5 times. Yeah, my friend does it every single day. He's got fake piss on him. It's not fake piss. It's someone else's piss. Yeah. True story. Dude, 2 bladders, 1 cup, pretty much. Oh, they watch you, Merlin? Yo, if they're watching me, I'd be like, yo, you can at least stroke it while you're watching. At least help me out over here. Hold it. Why don't you hold it for me? It's a lot of chop, piano. Super choppy. I think I'm going to go eat lunch because it's fucking chopping. I'm going to go grab lunch. I'm going to be back at 2:15. We'll do the account giveaway then. Yeah, I'm going to head out. I'm going to go eat lunch. I am starving. So I'll see you guys at 2:15. All right. Peace.